Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So we all pitched in right now on this and scrubbed the rust off the back bumper, and it looks absolutely brand new again. Every bit of surface rust came off. It was very light to begin with, but as you can see, it's not pitted, which that kind of gets on my nerves because then you always have to deal with it, but there's no pitting, no nothing like that. So we're going to dry it off right now, and I'll show you guys the finished result. Have a little bit of a hole right there that was cut out, ready to be patched. Obviously, it's very common for the lower fin to rot out, but the good thing is the whole thing didn't rot out. It was just kind of the outer skin. So that's a patch that needs to be done, but as of right now, the more we work on this car, I don't think we're going to be getting rid of it. We all really like it. It drives great. So going to get some exhaust put on it, tires, just look through the brakes. I might disc it. I've driven a 60 Cadillac with disc brakes before, and it makes them like a brand new car. So anyway, we'll see what happens. But there is the back bumper for tonight. Okay, so there it is all dried off. Better than new.